Hey guys, today we're gonna learn how to make salame dolce, sweet salame. Right here I have some melted butter. It's a quarter of a cup and plus 3 tablespoons of butter. Okay, it's nice and melted. I did melt it in the microwave. I'm going to add 2/3 of a cup of sugar. So 1 and 2. Okay. Now we're gonna mix this and it's gonna become like a cream. It's very creamy, so it's sugar and the butter. So right here I have 1 cup of chocolate. You guys can put chocolate chips or whatever. I had some Lindor chocolate. I went to get some chocolate in my cupboards, so this is pretty much the whole thing. I have some Strega liquor. I'm gonna put like 10 grams, so it's like 1 tablespoon of this beautiful rum. We're going to add our chocolate in here. I'm gonna throw all this beautiful chocolate in here. This is a dessert that you can make it the day before. You can even make it the same day. The thing is that you need some time to let it rest. So if you make it the day before, it's even better. There you go. So make sure that it's all nice and mixed up. I got some hazelnuts. So I put 1/2 cup of hazelnuts. What I did, I put it in the oven for like 15 minutes. And then I just, blend it just a little bit in my blender, just a bit, because you do want to have those pieces, you want to bite into it. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is, once you want to mix all your ingredients, so 1 ingredient at a time, because you just don't want to put it all together and then not mix it up all at once. I have some cocoa powder, so I'm going to put 1 tablespoon, which is like 10 grams, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Okay, again, we'll mix it up nice, which is some sugar-free cookies. So could be some digestive cookies, whatever it is, whatever you like. You guys you want to make sure that you don't put cookies that are ready with sugar, because it will be too sweet at one point. So those cookies are pretty good. In here I have 1/2 cup of dry cookies. Okay, so the way you notice is I put it in this bag, and what I did, I pretty much smashed it with my rolling pin, and I pounded a little bit, and now we can mix all this baby nice. Okay, so you might notice that you might think, oh my gosh, it's too dry. No, just keep going. You have to mix all those ingredients together. If you though think that it's still too dry, you either can add extra butter, or you can add a little more rum if you want. So I'm gonna give it a try in a little bit. I just want to see, because if I don't taste the rum, the liquor, I might add a little more of that. Oh wow. Yeah, this is good. Now, what I'm gonna do, actually I'm gonna add just a little more, because we're all adults here, so just a little bit. Okay, if you're making this for kids, you can just add some milk or some cream, totally up to you. So again, mix it up nice. So guys, I just got some parchment paper right here. This is a salame dolce, so we want to make it look like a salame. So let me just turn this like that for a bit, like this, because I want to make it nice. So you guys can blend the cookies. I like to leave it a little bit whole, like roughly chopped. I think they look very nice. Okay. You can put this in the fridge, in the freezer, and usually you can freeze it. Put it in the freezer for like, they can stay there for like even 3 months. It's fine. And then you can leave it in your fridge. Some people, they make it with raw eggs, but if you use raw eggs, just make sure that the eggs are as fresh as possible. And cut it up. Okay, you want to make a log. All right, see, a log. We push it a little more like this. Just a little more. A little more. Okay. Put it up. Put it all together. And now we just like this, and just you close it, the end, like a real salami. Okay. So we're gonna put this in the freezer. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the freezer because definitely this is gonna be good if you have people coming over. You want to make this probably in the morning, so that by the evening, or like after 4 hours, 4 or 5 hours, it's done. It's nice and hard. Or I usually suggest to make this the day before. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to make the other log and put it in the freezer. Tomorrow I'm gonna taste this baby up, and then I hope I'll see you next time. Subscribe to the channel, okay, and share this recipe. Thumbs up if you like this recipe, and let me know if you try it. Okay, this is a very simple, very easy, so it's not a big deal to make this dessert.